Small class sizes, environmentally friendly, amazing dedicated teachers. You can expect the best here at Crosslake. Exceptional education spanning core academics to environmentally sound offerings. Our building offers a variety of environmental opportunities, spanning core academics through environmental projects, whether it's with our solarium, on-site, in-house, or beyond.
It's fun. I like to learn about stuff.
The small class sizes are less stressful, and they kind of get us more outside.
I feel like I couldn't teach anywhere else. It's a feeling that you get when you walk in the door. The kids here, just a small, happy family. I mean, everybody knows each other. Yeah, I don't know, it's hard, man. It's hard to put it into words. This is just a great place. It really is.
2 unique schools, 1 unified district. Crosslake Community Schools, where learning fits life.